Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the one thing Roblox accepts: proof of age. You need a government ID that clearly shows your birth date and name. Once done, photograph or scan it sharply. Make sure the file meets size and format limits, and note the exact Roblox username and email tied to the account. This prepares you for the support request. Do this now so the next step is fast and accurate, and you avoid repeated submissions. Next, go to Roblox support and pick the account or age verification path. Be precise. Attach your prepared ID file, enter the account email and username, and write a concise explanation requesting a date of birth correction. If you are a minor with a parent involved, state that a guardian approves the change. Once submitted, you'll get a ticket number. Save it. Expect a reply within several days to a couple of weeks, and check your email spam folder frequently. When Roblox responds, follow every instruction exactly, upload additional documents, or confirm identity when asked. After they confirm the DOB change, log out and back in, then test restricted features to ensure the fix took effect. If the request is denied, don't panic. Redact unnecessary details, convert images to recommended formats, and resubmit with clearer photos or a parent's consent statement. If
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.